everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Schlage. It's the C keyway. The key does work beautifully. And there's the key. See SC4 on it right there. It's 6 pin. I've picked this lock for you guys before, but that was before I've modified it. So now I've got some nice security pins in it. And let's see what it takes to get it open. Starting at 1 and working my way back. I didn't have anything yet. It's like 4 I got to click. Yep, another click out of 4. Now I can't lift my pick, so looks like I have to push up on 1 some to be able to get that through. Let's go back to the back again. Can't seem to get underneath a 6 here. Here we go. I'm under it now. Got to click out of 2. Another click out of 2. Click out of 4. Click out of 3, another click out of 3, and a tiny turn on the core. Click out of 2. Get a little bit of pressure on 3, but 3 feels good. 4 feels good. Now I'm stuck trying to get under 6 again. Okay, so I've got to click off of 6. Got to click off of 1. Got a little click out of 5. Little counter rotation, another click out of 5. I've lost my false set, but 6 has dropped again. There we go, I got my false set back again. Okay, I want to switch to a slightly deeper hook for a minute. Okay, 1 feels solid. There, I got a little click off of 2 and a little false set. Four just moved up and I got a little bit more false set. Okay, I can't get that pick under 5, so let's switch back to my other pick. Okay, got a little bit more false set off of 5 and a click off of 6 and we're open. Alright, so what was that? 3 minutes 45 seconds so far. Go ahead and move the vise out of the way. Alright, I need a flathead screwdriver. Come on, screw. There we go. Let's turn the key that way. Get the plug follower going. Okay, let's look at the cylinder. We've got some holy goodness going on there. Okay, got a serrated in 1, a serrated in 2, a spool key pin in 3, a serrated key pin in 2 with just 1 serration, or that's 4, sorry, I think I said 2. There's another serrated with 1 serration in 5, and 6 is another serrated. And I've got threadings in 1, 2, and 6. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the cylinder here. Come on, where's my tweezers? It would help if I got them out before I started the video, wouldn't it? All right. Okay, I got a nice serrated in 1. I've got a serrated spool in 2. I've got a T-pin in 3. It was an inverted T-pin. Wafer is right here if I can get them out. There's the wafer. Okay. Get that spring out of the way. I've got a serrated T-pin in 4. I've got a spool T-pin in 5. If I can get a hold of 6 here. Get the spring out of my way. And 6 is another serrated T-pin. I'm dropping springs here. Now I didn't do any modifications to the Bible. The Bible's all stock. I still got a spring in there. So no threadings. Let's zoom in, get a little bit closer look at these pins. Bring the light in a little bit better. Okay. Got a nice serrated in 1 and 2. Good sharp serrations. Got a nice serrated spool in 2 up top. And another nice serrated next to it in 1. A drunken spool in number 3 up top. A serrated T-pin. Down below in 3, I've got a spool with a sharp edge and a serrated. Then 5, I've got another T-pin that's also a spool. 6 up top, serrated T-pin. A serrated spool in 6, or 5, and another serrated spool in 6. Anyway, guys, that is this Schlage after I've modified it. So what I need you to do is press that big subscribe button at the bottom of the video and stay safe. Don't do anything illegal, and never pick any locks that you don't own or locks that you don't have permission to pick.